So look at China. Sabi niyo komunista. Eh bakit kapitalista na yan? At kung talagang sikat kayo, eh bakit nandyan ang China ngayon, hindi nyo natalo? Kung sikat kayo, bakit nanalo ang North Vietnamese over the South? Kung tigas kayo sa Afghanistan, bakit na-overrun ng Taliban? Nandiyan ka si Ukraine. Bakit sabog ang Ukraine? Level to the ground. As if there is no country at all. And you tend to exaggerate that because you are this, you are that. You have to come to terms, with the reality, Mr. America. I'm not trying to insult you, bro. Magpakatotoo ka. Huwag mo kaming bulahin.